Jesse, let us begin with stacks.
Sure, Harry.
What is a stack?
A stack is a data structure that follows the last in first out LIFO principle, where the last element added is the first to be removed. It is crucial in managing function calls and undo mechanisms in applications.
Key concepts here are stacks, LIFO principle, data structures, describe LIFO, and its applications clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing stacks with queues. What operations can be performed on a stack?
The primary operations are push, which adds an element, pop, which removes the top element, and peek, which retrieves the top element without removing it. These operations are essential for efficient data handling. Sound,
Key concepts here are stack operations, push, pop, peek. Mention operations distinctly and their significance. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to mention peek operation. What are the applications of stacks?
stacks are used in various applications, including expression evaluation in compilers, backtracking algorithms, and memory management for function calls. These applications make stacks crucial in programming.
Key concepts here are applications of stacks, compilers, backtracking. Provide at least 3 practical applications. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking memory management. Explain the differences between stack and queue.
Stacks use LIFO while queues use FIFO, meaning stacks remove the last added item first, whereas queues remove the first item added. This distinction affects usage in algorithm design.
Key concepts here are stacks versus queues, data structure comparison. Clearly articulate their fundamental differences. Common mistakes candidates make here are mixing up terminologies of LIFO and FIFO. Can you implement a stack in Python?
Sure, I'll create a stack class with push and pop methods. I'll choose a list as the underlying data structure due to its dynamic resizing. The push method appends to the end, while the pop method removes from the end. Time complexity for both is O1. Here's how it looks. Class stack def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self stack equals def push self value self stack append value def pop self. If not, self is underscore empty, return self stack pop return none, def is underscore empty self, return len self, stack equals 0.
Key concepts here are stack implementation, Python. Explain your choice of data structure clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are forgetting to handle underflow condition. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more coding and theoretical interviews. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.